You guys, the stress that comes with content creating is not your mate. It's not your mate. Hi guys, my name is Chinelo Ezeonye, content creator based in. You guys, the stress that comes with content creating is not you and I mates. It's not our mates. Hi guys, my name is Chinelo Ezeonye, Nigerian YouTuber based in Kaduna. Yeah, this morning, guys, every day, if I tell people the work I have to do before I go to my shop, some of them don't believe me. Some of them can relate. Like last year, all through last year, from January to December, there's no maid. Some of them will say, yes, some of my children are grown. What if they're grown? This morning, he's off with his dad. My first daughter is in school. The others are still little. Like, I cannot see myself leaving my house dirty in the morning. Hence, I used to finish all the work that I had to do, go to my shop, do other things. Oh God, it's not easy. Like, it's not easy. Every day I used to rush to my shop. Like, I rarely go to my shop in the morning when others are coming. I mostly go to shop late. That's what I mean to say. Guys, look at my kitchen. I've been awake since early morning. I made jollof rice. Let me show you guys. Now I'm washing the dishes. Like, look at my pot of jollof rice that I made this morning. They'll probably be eating this one when they come back from school. Look at my gas. I have to clean it. I have to clean it this morning before I go. Look at here. I have to wash these pots that I see here. I have to wash this. I've washed some of them and I arranged them there. Like, I have to wash all this and then mop the floor before I go. This is what I have to do every blessed day. Here is my own food. I've dished out mine. I'm going to take it to the shop, but I'll be adding egg to it. When I'm done cleaning the gas, I'm going to boil egg and add egg to it. Yeah, because I eat egg almost every day. Yeah, I'm going to be adding 3 to 4 eggs to this food. Exactly. And when I want to eat, I used to start eating from the egg, the meat, the fish before going to the rice. Most times I don't use to finish my food, because by the time I eat the egg, the food, the meat, that is all the protein, and it has really been helpful. So let's get to work. I still have to clean the dining before I it's not easy. It's not easy. But we move. Like, after everything, I'll still have to go to their room, check if their room is not well made. If they have clothes on the floor, have to pack those ones clean. Sometimes when there is light, not even sometimes, I'll put them in the washing machine and then rush to go and bath. So when they come back from school, they will spray it. My God. I don't know if I should say this one is motherhood, because I cannot put all on content creating. But yeah, but all these I cannot put on content creating, right? Yeah, it's motherhood contribute, but it's draining. Like, when you're doing something without the camera, you tend to do that in fast. And when you want to film, it comes with its own stress. That's what I mean to say. Yeah, so guys, let me get to work and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. You guys, I'm done washing. And that is my egg. I'm boiling my egg. Let me show you guys. That is my 4 eggs. I've also mopped the floor. I've also mopped the floor. What I have to do now is to go and shower. By the time I come out from the bathroom, the egg will be done by then. To wash these pots. Hence, I've soaked it. I'm not going to wash it because I forgot to wash it. I'm going to leave it like that. When my children comes back, they will do the washing. Hi guys, this is outfit of the day. I'm flying a black beret today. Yeah. Guys, I wish I know how to dance. Hey, on this channel, when I foresee me, like, I wish I know how to dance. I just checked the time now, and it's I just checked the time now. This is 5 minutes past 10. Like, look at the way I'm sweating. I just turn on the AC right now. So as you can see, this boils down to what I said earlier. Like if you allow me to, if I should stay in my house a day without going to the shop, I don't think I'll be having time to rest. Like, I'm going to walk all through, because motherhood is not easy. Yeah, my fuel is almost finished, so I'm going to be stopping at the filling station to top up my fuel. The particular place where I want to buy, I just hope they are open, because I don't want to buy from like this one. I don't normally buy from this. I'm just passing one filling station now. I don't like to buy from them, because if you buy fuel from them, if you buy fuel like fuel of 20,000 for instance, you see the pump, is it fuel meter or what? You see down, not like where I want to go and buy now. This, their own is preferable. No pump is better now, but some of them are preferable than some of them. Yeah, so let's go guys. From my car? No. Okay, sorry, good morning. Thank you. You have ATM, right? Yes. 20,000. Yes. Sorry? Okay. No, I know. You guys, I'm so lucky today. Like, I didn't even get to the filling station where I wanted to buy from. This is a NNPC filling station. Like, most times when I come here to buy fuel, when I come here to buy fuel, the place is usually occupied with people, cars, and hence I don't used to buy from here. But today I'm so lucky. If you guys see the fuel I buy for 20,000, you'll be so surprised. But I'll be showing you guys right now, because I'm approaching a what is it called? Is it police checkpoint, Castelia, whatever? Yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.